Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Create a restore point and back up critical files so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, open Event Viewer with Win+X and scan the system log for kernel power or unexpected shutdown entries to identify patterns. Next, disable Automatic Restart from System Properties Advanced Startup and Recovery and uncheck Restart Automatically. This prevents immediate reboots so you can see blue screen errors. Make sure to record any stop codes you observe for the next steps. Now you diagnose drivers and hardware. Open Device Manager and update graphics, chipset, and network drivers, or roll back any that started around the problem date. Then run sfc/scanno followed by dism restore health to repair corrupt system files. These commands fix many kernel-level faults. Also test RAM with Windows Memory Diagnostic and inspect CPU/GPU temperatures and PSU voltages if you suspect overheating or power. To finish, perform a clean boot. Use msconfig to disable non-Microsoft services and Task Manager to turn off startup apps, then reboot to see if automatic restarts stop. Once stable, reinstall the correct drivers from vendor sites and apply all Windows updates. Make sure to use clean driver installers when available. If problems persist, boot into safe mode, capture the BSOD stop code and dump file, and consider a Windows repair install or fresh install. Key troubleshooting tip: if restarts continue, focus on BIOS/firmware updates and power supply health as a likely root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.